Hey, what's going on, everyone? Just started doing the edit on this video, and it comes to my attention that I never actually recorded an intro to it this morning. So here we are, okay? The family and I were heading out to go pick up the new truck for the channel here. It's a 1976 Ford F250 crew cab. I'm pretty sure it's an F250 because it is a short bed two-wheel drive. Has a 390 and a C6 for a transmission. I am just blown away. I hope you guys enjoy the chat or the video here. It's a short one, okay, because I'm really exhausted and tired. I ended up going to bed at 5:30 in the morning last night and only got 2 hours of sleep. Had to be back up at 8 and get back up there to go pick this truck up. All right, it's been a long day. I'm really looking forward to bed, but I did commit to wanting to put these videos out every single day. Anyways, go ahead, enjoy the video. We'll talk to you in the comments, okay? All right.
Easy.
Woo, she's pulling her up.
Don't worry, my dad will take good care of it.
Yes, sir.
And you should have a lot of fun doing it.
All right, we got the 76 crew cab loaded up. I am so pumped, man. The thing fired right up after a couple hits of starting fluid and got the jump box on it. Drove it on out here, so we're gonna have to get it at home, unload it, and see what happens. But I think that's gonna pretty much wrap up the rest of our day. I'm super pumped, guys. This is badass. I know it's a short video, but I'm pretty exhausted from last night. I got to bed like around 5 a.m. this morning, so, but yeah, this is super cool. Hell yeah. We'll talk to you all later.